Electronic Books Are the Way of the Future by Holly Olson. What people love about books is the fact they can be transported to a different place or time. They can be given encouragement to fulfill a dream or a goal. They can help you become more than you are now. They can teach you how to create amazing things. And some of you might be saying, I already know this, so why should I care? You should care because there is another way to experience books. It is called the electronic book. Though these have been around for a while, they are still gaining momentum. From the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, we read that ebooks, as they are called, is a book composed in or converted to digital format for display on a computer screen or a handheld device. Can you see the benefits of using ebooks? Because I can. Jennifer Wilbur, from her article 10 Reasons Why Ebooks Are Better Than Print, will help us explain why. She says the first thing is that ebooks are instant, and in this world where their instant gratification is sought, this is great. Number 2, she shares, is that ebooks are more portable than print. Now, I love to read books, and it is hard at times to easily carry them with you, but this makes it very easy. Number 3 is that you can't get late fees from borrowing library books because their license will simply expire when the date comes. Number 4, e-readers have built-in dictionaries, so when you come across a word you are confused about or do not know the meaning of, you can simply click on the word and the definition will pop up. Number 5 is that it takes up less space, leaving you the room you need for the other things no matter where you go. This allows me to have space in the diaper bag for everything that I need. Number 6 is you can customize font size and style in ebooks. Have you ever tried to read a book where the print is small, too small, or a font is too hard to read? I have, and being able to change the font and the size has made many books more enjoyable. Jennifer says for number 7, ebooks give you better access to indie titles, meaning independent self-published authors. I have a friend who is an independent self-publisher, and this is the only way I can read his books. Number 8, e-readers can be more environmentally friendly than print books. From the site IPFS.io, Environmental Impact of Paper, we find that even paper recycling can be a source of pollution due to the sludge produced during de-inking. Number 9 is something I love when traveling at night. E-readers at night can be read in the dark without any other light assistance. When traveling somewhere and my husband is driving, I can easily still read a book out loud to help keep him awake. Number 10 is that the new releases are usually cheaper as ebooks. One thing Jennifer didn't mention, but that I love, is the fact that you can delete a book if they are not to your taste or you are done with them and don't feel you will read them anymore. This makes your home less cluttered and you don't have to sell or cart off boxes of books to be donated. It makes my life easier. I have found something very helpful for space and price-wise is the fact that I am able to get my college books that I need as ebooks. In fact, I only spent $25 on the book we were required to have for this class by borrowing it as an ebook, rather than spending $95 for a used printed one. From the article, The Benefits of Using eBooks by Students, it says, by using ebooks, they are able to expand immense learning opportunities. In fact, when students need certain information to complete their homework, they can get it instantaneously simply by downloading an ebook. While some people say they feel more connected to a story when they have the actual book in their hand, or in the act of turning pages, I feel that when you are lost in the words, your brain doesn't care about where it gets the information, just the fact that it gets it. If you haven't yet given ebooks a try, I would find a quick book online to download and try it out now.